Hey, what's up guys, this is Jack from VFX, and in this video we are going to create a transition something like this. Right, so that's a pretty cool transition. You can use this for corporate videos and stuff like that. So let's take a look at how to create this. So it's pretty simple. You need to how to precisely cut these two clips. I have clip number 1 and clip number 2. Go to the center of the cut and then press shift and left arrow key. That will move you 5 frames, and we need 8 frames. So now you have to press the left arrow key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 8 frames here. So you have to usually add edit. You can use razor blade tool and you can cut here. But there is an easy method. When I press R, you can see I can add the cut like this, right? So you have to assign, in your case, it may not be the R. If you go to the sequence, and here there is an option called add edit. If you have set up a keyboard shortcut, you can easily add edit to a clip. That way you don't have to go to the razor blade tool and select the cut. So when you use that keyboard shortcut, you can easily press that key like this and you can easily add the cut. So assign a keyboard shortcut for this add edit option. I have assigned R. So that way you can easily cut that. Now go to the center of the cut again and press the right arrow key 1 time. That means 5 frames. Then press the left arrow key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 8 frames in this part too. Now I add the cut. Then you have to select these 2 clips and right click, and you should nest these parts. So I nest. You can give a name if you need, but that is not important. Right, so now you have to go to the center of this sequence, right? So it's press the one time shift and right arrow key 1, 2, 3. So now we are at the center of the cut of this clip, right? So then go to the effects panel and find the effect called level. So this is the effect, and add this level effect to this clip, and also you have to find the channel blur. So type the channel blur, and this is the channel blur effect, and press at this to this one, and then you should go to the effects control panel. When you go to the effects control panel, you can see levels effect. Don't forget to put this cursor current time indicator to the middle of this clip, and here you can see white input level. Currently it is 255. So press this button to toggle the animation, and it will add a keyframe and move that to the beginning of that clip. And also you can use this button, add a keyframe, to add another keyframe and move that keyframe to the end of the clip. And now while holding the current time indicator middle, change this white input level value to 0. Now it will make this like this. If you preview this, your transition will look like this. So this is also pretty cool, and you can also use that. If you want to add more value to this transition, you can go to the channel blur effect, and here you can see there are settings like red blur. So add a keyframe here and move that to the beginning of the clip, and you can add another keyframe and move that to the end of the clip like this. And here currently the red blurriness is 0. You can adjust it to like 300, and it will make this blue color look to this transition. And also don't forget to check this repeat edge pixels box, right? So it's important. So now when you play back this, you can see our red blurriness is changing from 0 to 300, and then it is fading away from 300 to 0 like this. Now when you preview this effect, you can get this look, right? Like this. If you want to add more punch to this transition, you can add some kind of swish audio effect like this, and you can get much more powerful look. You can see you can easily create this transition and just try it. I'll be back with the next Adobe Premiere video tutorial. Stay tuned.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost.